Millions of people right now in 2024 are actually struggling because of rising inflation, rising prices as a whole, and just every dang thing else going on in 2024. And I personally want to say I'm sorry. I'm sorry because I have, again, a day trading education company that teaches people how to be successful, but I'm only teaching a few hundred people at a time. I'm not helping the large consensus of the United States. So again, I know that sounds weird. I'm apologizing for the entire United States, but a part of it on my heart is actually on me because it's like I feel like I'm withholding information when deep down I really shouldn't, because I can actually help out somebody's family that actually wants to make more money. Someone that went through my experience years ago, if you know my story of me getting laid off, and maybe you got laid off and you're like, I need money or I need a skill so that I can actually be able to help my family, but MK University was not there because I couldn't afford the skill. So I want to make a change to that, and I want to make that change today. So as mentioned, I mean, think about it. Again, the reason I feel like this way is because we have 1,003 video testimonials of people that are successful because of the program, because of one-on-one coaching, because of the course, because of just the whole strategy as a whole. So it does work. The issue, if you want to call it issue, is that we're a premium service. The reason we're a premium service is because we offer one-on-one coaching at scale. So hey, you want to learn the strategy? Well, you can get assigned a coach that can actually help you. That's not cheap. But realistically, I want to detach things to where if you need one-on-one coaching or the course in a structured way, we still have that. That's fine. Especially anyone that's already in the program, you still have that. That's not being taken away. But for everyone else, because those are the thousands, right? But for the millions, again, a change has to be done. And I want to be able to help more of you all out, because realistically, at least the way I'm looking at it, it seems like 2024 and maybe even 2025 might get worse. And so it's better for you to actually get ahead financially than me to make a couple extra bucks by helping out only a few thousand. I'm trying to be not selfish here. So going forward, that basically means that starting today, which is April 5th, 2024, everything as far as the strategy goes will be 100% free, which essentially means, again, on YouTube, every single piece of content going forward that will be released on this channel directly from me, as an example, will be showing the full strategy. So if you want to learn the exact strategy that those thousands plus people have actually been able to use to become successful, to win 70% of their day trades, to actually help their family, to actually change their life, to actually do all of that stuff, it's gonna be free now. No more pay us a mid four-figure investment unless you need the one-on-one coaching, which, to be really honest with you, I personally do deep down, since I have a company of 31 employees at this point in time, I do feel like that's the quickest way and the easiest way for you to actually learn the strategy. But if you do believe that you just need videos set up independently for you to learn, and you can just drive yourself to watch the videos, become successful, etc., then I don't want to hold that. I don't want to have a paywall between me and you. I want you, again, to help yourself, to help your family, to change your life. I'm not kidding. Everything is going to be free. No more withholding the strategy, excuse me. It's going to be free. So starting April 15th, I'll be releasing one of the first videos that shows the full strategy. So if you're someone that at this time does not believe they need one-on-one coaching, they want the full strategy, they have the income to actually learn how to day trade, and they want to keep continuing to learn so they can become successful, help their families, and etc., April 15th is the day where the strategy is being launched. And I hope personally I can at least make a small dent in the population of the United States to actually help people to better their future.